So the first question, let's begin. So please read the first question. So Pontotoc Industries manufactures a product that is used as a subcomponent by other manufacturers. So this particular industry manufactures a product. It is used as a subcomponent. That means it supports the actual main component. The price structure has been given. Selling price, cost of the subcomponent, what they are manufacturing. This is also given.
Okay.
So operating margin is given. Okay. Pontotoc received a special one-time order for 1,000 units of its product. However, Pontotoc has an alternative use for this capacity that resulted in a contribution of $20,000. The minimum unit price for special one-time order is in excess of dash, they're asking. So for such kind of questions, first we have to see what are the relevant cost for us. Relevant cost. And relevant cost is always the incremental cost for any type of project we take up. So what are the incremental costs for us? We have to see. So the variable cost is always, as you increase the order size, it will increase. So what comes under variable cost? Direct material, direct labor, variable overheads, okay, and variable shipping costs. So that amounts to how much? 70, 100, okay. So now the company has to, if at all, company does not have idle capacity. That means they don't have any time which is like getting wasted. So unit price, what they are going to calculate should also cover the opportunity cost as well as the variable cost. Now the other alternative, like what they are saying is, Pontotoc has an alternative use for this capacity. See, they have received a special one-time order of 1,000 units, right? Now, what they are saying is Pontotoc has an alternative use for this capacity. That means whatever the capacity they are putting to make this special order, they can utilize that for something else as well. Okay. Pontotoc has alternative use for this capacity, and that will give them contribution of $20,000. Fine. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So now this contribution they are going to lose, right? That means if Pontotoc is not making this special order, then they may get this contribution. But if they are making this special order, they will not get this contribution. So they have to recover this also, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
So given that the alternative use will generate 20,000, see $20,000 alternative use is going to give them this contribution. 1,000 special orders. So the special order what you are taking should recover your variable cost, which is 100, right? 100. Yes. And also the contribution what you are losing if you put this particular capacity into alternative use, right? So if you are making this, see, I have some capacity, that means some labor, some machinery, which I can use for making either 1,000 units, or I can put it into use A, or I can put into use B, which is giving me $20,000 of contribution. If I'm not putting that into use B, that means I'm losing this. That means if I'm putting this, if I'm putting into this, I'm losing the opportunity of this. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, right. Got it.
Yeah. So what company has to do in such kind of cases, they have to recover the benefit that is opportunity cost, and the incremental cost, which is variable cost, right? So now the opportunity cost would be $20,000 divided by 1,000 units, $20, and the variable cost is $100. So totally $120, right? Please make a note of this. So this unit price what we are quoting should cover the opportunity cost and variable cost.
Opportunity cost plus variable cost is equal to what?
Yeah, the what they want to recover, the unit price.
Okay.
Minimum unit price.
Okay. Done.
Next question. Company manufactures a product that has following unit price and cost. So this is the unit price given to us, same data. Company received a special order of 1,000 units of the product. Company currently has excess capacity, but has alternative use for this capacity that will result in this. What is the minimum price that company should charge for this special order? So what is the answer? I think already we have like calculated this, right?
Yeah, 120 we got.
120. So why to calculate? Shall we move forward?
Yes.
It's nothing but all the variable cost plus opportunity cost.
Yes.
Opportunity cost we got $20, variable cost we got $100. That makes it
120.
$120 minimum. Next question.
Okay.
In April, a company with idle capacity has been contacted by a new customer to supply 100,000 units of its products for a special order at a price that is 25% below the company's regular sales price. That's what. So in April, a company with idle capacity has been contacted by some new customer. For what reason? To supply 1 lakh units of its products for a special order. That means the customer got some special order, so they want company to manufacture that product for them. Okay, this new customer want company to manufacture this particular 1 lakh units of product, which the new customer got a special order for. Did you understand the question? There is a
Yeah.
company, company XYZ Corporation. It has an idle capacity, and this company has been contacted by new customer, that is ABC company.
Okay.
For what purpose this ABC company has contacted XYZ Corporation? To supply 1 lakh units of its products. For what reason? For a special order which they got at a price of, just a second.
Okay.
For a special order at a price of 25% below company's regular sales price. So like so they are asking to supply some 1 lakh units of product for a special order at a price that is 25% below the company's regular sales price. Okay. So if accepted, the order will be completed and delivered in April. Order is identical to a committed order that will be produced in May. Okay. The order, if accepted by XYZ company, will be completed and delivered in April. Order is very much identical to a committed order that will be produced in May. So in May also they're going to make some order of this kind only. Which one of the following costs is relevant for company decision making whether to accept the special order? So please tell me what can be your answer. Just a second, Shamil. Please go through this. So yeah, what is the answer for you for this?
The direct material.
Hmm. So let's understand. See, insurance on machinery would not be relevant because this is a kind of a committed cost. Whether you make a order or you don't make a order, insurance, however, you are going to take, right?
Yes.
See what happens. Every machinery, whatever is purchased, for that insurance is already taken. So whether they are taking special orders or they are not taking special orders, insurance, however, they are going to pay. This is not
Yep.
relevant. Direct material that were purchased earlier for production order that was cancelled. See, this is also irrelevant, right? See, are you going to take extra direct material here? Direct material that were purchased earlier for the production order that was cancelled. So this is with you only, right? Are you going to produce any additional direct material for this order? Hello? See, this is for already. See, we are looking for incremental cost. I understand direct material is a variable, it's kind of a variable thing. But are you using this for the special? Have you purchased this specially for special order? You have already purchased, right?
Yes.
Direct material that were purchased earlier for a production order. Already you had an order that got cancelled. So that is already there and you are going to use. You are going to divert that into this special order. Are you going to
Right.
purchase anything extra?
We already have.
See, I got order A that got cancelled. Already for this material has been purchased. I'm just putting this into order B. So did I
Yes.
purchase something for like order B? I'm only concerned with order B's cost, right? Did I purchase something for order B for a special order? I did not purchase anything extra. The same metal I'm using. So this is also not relevant, right? Only incremental costs are relevant. Correct or wrong?
Right.
Are you understanding?
Understood.
Are you understanding?
We already purchased. We are now spending on not
Yeah.
spending that.
Yeah, we have already purchased and like that order got cancelled. We are just using here. See, you have a manager whom you have appointed, okay, for one of the branches, branch A. Now that branch A is closed, you are using the manager for branch B. So are you paying anything extra?
Same.
Same, so not relevant. Machine setup cost for order. So see, machine setup cost would be same regardless when order is manufactured. So machine setup cost for the order, however you are going to do that, it's not going to increase anything extra for you. Just a second, got a call. Just a second. Yeah. So Samrin, then finally, what will be the answer for this? The final leftover option is electricity to operate machinery in April to produce the units. So electricity will be relevant, right? As you use electricity for producing every extra unit, you will be spending more, correct? So as you'll be spending more, is it relevant cost for you or irrelevant cost for you? Hello?
Relevant cost, sir.
Relevant cost, because it is incremental cost, right? So relevant cost include only those that vary with regard to decision. So already whatever electricity you are using, you are paying some amount for that. But immediately what happens, you take special order and you like electricity cost, you spend more for that, right? For more for that special order. So definitely you're going to pay more for that. So it is a kind of relevant cost for you, correct? Next. Yeah, so the answer option is D. Since for these number of orders what you're taking up, you have to pay a additional electricity bill for fulfilling this order. Henceforth, it is understood fact that definitely you have to include this in like your relevant cost list. And which of the following cost is relevant? This is the relevant cost. Next one. Please go through this. Yeah. Give me a second, Samir, and I'll be coming. Okay. So normal unit pricing for a company's product is determined as follows. Direct material and labor, manufacturing overhead 60% is fixed out of it. So 40% amounts to how much? 3.2. 60% is 4.8. It is fixed. Selling variable selling price, fixed selling and administrative expenses, total cost, markup, selling price is given. Now the question to you is, if company receives a special order for which capacity exists, lowest selling price per unit the company can accept is this. You have to do summary. I'm waiting. So what we have to do? See, normal unit pricing for a company's product is given to you. If you are manufacturing any product per unit wise, these are all the costs you are going to incur. If company receives a special order for which capacity they have, okay, the lowest selling price per unit of the company can accept is. So we will take all the variable cost. Shall we take? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are taking $12 here. Then what we have to take the variable portion of 3.2. Correct?
Okay.
This is variable portion, right?
Right.
And then variable selling price also we have to take. So how much is that happening? 16.2. How much?
0.2.
Yeah. Anything else? Others are what? Fixed. This we cannot take. So only the answer is 16.2. Correct? See, we
What is
have all the variable. Hello.
hello?
Yeah, please tell.
What is desired markup?
Markup is the margin which you add to cost to get the selling price.
Okay.
See, cost price plus profit is selling price, right? This markup is your profit margin.
Yes.
So there is no opportunity cost something like given here to us because they did not give how much for special order you are going to spend. They just gave an information that you are going to have you are going to take a special order and divert some units over, divert some resources for that. And they did not give any contribution as such to us. If they would have given, we would have taken the contribution also, right?
The opportunity cost. Okay.
Yeah, that would have been the opportunity cost of not employing our resources in our company, but employing it in like some other like alternative use or some other special order. Fine. So that information is not given. Henceforth, our answer would be the variable cost. Shall we move forward? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, please go to this question. A company manufactures a variety of shoes and has received a special one-time only order directly from the wholesaler. They got a one-time order. Company has sufficient idle capacity to accept the special order to manufacture 15,000 pairs of sneakers at a price of 7.50 per pair. Company's normal selling price is this per sneaker. Variable manufacturing cost are $5. So what they are saying, the company has sufficient idle capacity to accept special order to manufacture pairs of sneaker at a price of 7.50 per pair. So if they want to make a sneaker, they are going to make it for how much? 7.50. So 7.50 cost. Selling price of sneaker is 11.5. Correct?
And variable.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Variable. Yeah. Variable cost is $5 per pair. So now.
Okay.
Normal selling price is given company. Company has a special idle, sufficient idle capacity, accept special order sneakers at a price of this much per pair. So they have clearly mentioned company makes variety of shoes. They got one time order from wholesaler. So if they have to give the like if they have to manufacture for that special order, they are going to manufacture how many shoes, this much, and they are going to charge how much for that, 7.50. This is the selling price for the company for special order. This is the normal selling price, something which is going on in the market, not concerned with that, correct? So what is the contribution for company? Sales minus variable cost.
Variable cost.
2.50 is the contribution. Correct? Variable cost is given to us. Now,
fine.
yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. No, just seeing what next I have to do. So variable manufacturing cost is given and fixed manufacturing cost is given. The company's variable selling expense for its normal line of sneakers is $1 per pair. What would the effect on company's operating income be if company accepted the special order? So they are asking what would be the operating income. So contribution is also called as PBIT, correct?
Profit before.
So what do you say? If at all they take up the special order, they're what is happening? How many pairs they have to manufacture? 15,000 into 2.50. It is a positive figure or negative figure? It's a positive figure. What's the answer? Multiply and tell.
37,500.
So this much would be the increase in the operating income, correct?
Special. Okay.
Yeah, make a note of this. We'll move forward.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Next question. A company currently is using its full capacity of 25,000 machine hours to manufacture XR2000 product. Okay, using its full capacity of this much hours to manufacture product XR2000. So now you can understand that they have a capacity of 25,000 machine hours.
Yes.
This full capacity they are using to manufacture this product. Now one customer placed an order to manufacture 1000 units of KT 6500. Special order, right?
Yes.
They usually make XR2000. This is normally what they make. They got a special order for this much, right? Customer would normally manufacture this component. However, due to a fire at its plant, the customer needs to purchase these units to continue manufacturing other products. This is a one-time special order. The following reflects unit cost and selling prices. The data is given to us. Material, labor, or variable overhead, everything is given. What is the minimum unit price that company should charge the customer to manufacture 1000 units of KT 6500? Now you tell me, Samrin, what shall be done? Yeah. So here, how many hours are required? 3 hours are required to make KT 6500, correct?
Yes.
How many units they have to make? 1000 units. Each unit is taking 3 hours. So 1000 units would take 3000 hours, correct? This many hours are required to fulfill the special order of KT 6500. Now, if I have to, just a second. So 3000 hours if they have to put for 6500, how many hours they have to, if at all they take, let's say for if I take 3000 hours and divide it by 4, how much you are getting?
3.
750. So these many hours they have to give up. Okay. Of which they have to give up XR 2000. Correct or wrong?
Yeah, to manufacture cake.
See, yeah, usually they are making XR 2000, right? So whatever hours they have, they always usually put for this. But as they got special order, they want 3000 hours to make XR 6500. So as per the standards of XR 2000, 750 hours is what they usually take to make some 1000 units of XR 2000, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
750 hours. Just a second. No. 1000 units. Yeah, 750 units. See, uh, if they take more, if they take more time, they make less units. Correct or wrong? Units. Hello.
Yes.
See, please understand. 1000 units they make of X of KT 6500. For that, they are taking around 3000 hours. So in the same 3000 hours, how many units of XR 2000 they'll make? 750 units. Correct? Yes. So are they going to lose this, like whatever they are going to use this income, right?
Yeah. So for making KT.
So how much? If they are making KT, this money they should not make this many units. Correct?
Of XR.
Yeah. So we will take the cost of XR 2000. What cost XR 2000 incurs? 24 of material, 10 of labor, 5 of variable overhead. Now, next, 4 of variable and administrative overhead. How much?
43.
43. This is the variable cost they usually, incur to make XR 2000. So what is the like selling price they are quoting? 105, right?
Yes.
So what is the contribution? 62, right? This is the contribution. Fine.
Yes.
So if at all they are taking special order, so they have to forego a contribution of 750 into 62.
Okay. 45.
I'm sorry. What is happening? Forego the contribution. What is the amount?
45,000.
40?
Okay.
Sorry, calculate and tell please. 40?
750 into 66. Okay, 62. Sorry.
62. Yeah.
46,500.
So when they are taking a special order, they have to lose this money. Correct? See, if I am making 1000 units of KT 6500, I have to I have to put resources for this, right? So if at all those resources are put for like XR 2000, I would have made 750 units. But now I'm not making that 750 units. I'm losing the income over there, the contribution over there. It's an opportunity cost, right? So 46,500. Understood, right?
Yes, sir, got it.
I'll not make that. Now, so that 46,500, I will divide with 1000 because I'm making 1000 units right here. So 46.50 per unit I'm going to lose. Correct?
That is opportunity cost.
Yeah. This 46,500. I'm going to earn on this thousand. I have to earn for this 1000 units. See, if I'm taking a special order, lost contribution I have to recover, and the variable cost also I have to recover. Correct? Are you
Yeah,
understanding?
got it.
It is
Opportunity cost, variable.
opportunity cost plus variable cost. So I'm losing the opportunity of earning this much, right? I'm losing that on which, how many units? If I'm making 1000 units, I have to recover this 46,500 first and also my variable cost, correct?
Yes.
Since I have to recover 46,500 on this 1000 units, I have to recover 46.50 per unit wise. So that I got. Now I will take the variable cost of this. So what are the variable cost?
5.
27 plus 12. 27 was for material. 12 is for labor. 6 is for the variable overheads. And 5 is for selling and administrative overhead. So totally how much?
46.5 plus
Plus 27 plus 12 plus 6 plus 5.
0.5.
Hmm?
96.5.
Yeah, that is the answer. Okay. So you want to make a note of this? Hmm? Once done, please tell me something.
That's
Next question. I would like you to do this. I'm waiting.
sixth one.
Same data, but a slight change.
Oh, just a minute, sir.
Yeah, please take your time.
scroll up, sir? I'll read the question.
Sorry.
Can you scroll up?
Yeah. This is the only question.
Okay.
You mean to say scroll down?
Yeah, scroll down.
Yeah.
Scroll up, sir.
Yeah. See, the point here is,
We have to find out this variable cost.
yeah, see, Ponto Talk received special order, assuming they have excess capacity. If they have excess capacity, they are not going to, like, stop like something what they are doing currently and putting the resources into another project or alternative, right? See, whatever capacity they have as excess capacity whereby they can easily do this task as well in that same capacity as well. For example, usually I fulfill 500 orders per month, and I have a capacity of 2000 orders. Easily 1500 orders I can take up, right? Right, extra. That much bigger machine I have. Are you understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
See, usually I manufacture only 500 orders, 500 units of some product. In my existing market, this is more than enough. But I have a very big machinery which can make 2000 units per month. I have a spare capacity or excess capacity of 1500, whereby if I get special order of 1000 also, I can easily do that.
Yeah.
So there is no opportunity cost, right? I'm not, it is not like I make 500 units, okay? And like I have only 600 units capacity. I got 1000 units, okay? And I have to like divert some resources from here to here. It is nothing like that, correct?
Yeah.
I'm just
Yeah.
a small example I'm giving. I know the example which I've given here, no match. Let's say I have a capacity of like 1000 units, 500 I always make. So now I have got an order for extra 1000 units. So 500 I have to divert from here to here, right? For
Yes.
the extra 500 units what I can make, I have to divert
Yes,
from
sir.
here to here. Finished. So in that cases, your answer would be the loss of opportunity cost, that is the contribution plus variable cost. But here there is no such thing. I can easily fulfill this order also. So my cost will only be, relevant cost will only be
Variable cost.
variable cost, right? So what we have to take?
Direct material. Direct
Material,
labor.
labor, shipping, and variable manufacturing overhead, that is 100.
Okay. In previous question, we have we did
You had
operating.
that contribution also you had, right? Contribution for 1000 units, 20,000 divided by 1000.
Yes.
So extra 20 you got. So that you added to 100. That's why it was 120.
Oh,
Understood?
got it. Yeah,
Yeah.
we have excess capacity, so we didn't take opportunity cost.
Yes, no need, no, we are not diverting anything. In that capacity only we are fulfilling this order also. This is the last question we'll do for day. Please do this. Something I'm waiting. they have good amount of excess manufacturing capacity. Special job order cost sheet includes the following applied manufacturing overheads. Applied is what, you know, standard for like actual output. Okay. So fixed cost include this much normal allocation for in-house design cost. So fixed costs are never relevant for us, right? Only what is relevant for us, Samrin?
Variable cost.
Variable cost. And they are doing in their like excess capacity they have, right? So the fixed cost is this. Although no in-house design will be done, instead job will require the use of external designers costing. So this is also something we are taking service from someone else, right?
Yes.
Correct.
External design. Yes.
This is also incremental cost. So this both we have to recover, correct? So
Okay.
since we have to recover, this is a relevant
But
cost.
external designer is opportunity cost.
No. We are doing this in excess. We have excess manufacturing capacity. This in-house we can't do, right? We have to take someone's assistance. For there are various tasks which company cannot do in-house. It's not in their capacity. So they take the external assistance or help. For that they have to incur cost or not. They have to recover that money or not.
Okay.
It is nothing like they are taking some special order. They themselves are spending some money to get some task done.
Okay.
Hello. You didn't understand?
Oh, so that external designer, why they have taken it?
What can I answer for this? The question says, although no in-house design will be done, they don't do in-house designing. Not every task is done in the company. For example, let's say there is a tailor to whom I have given my shirt for stitching purpose. He will stitch everything, but buttoning he can't do. He will, they make some hole for that buttons, correct?
Yeah. Some
Do you
other.
think they do in-house? No. There are many manufacturers available in the market. They take this shirt and they give it to them. Those they will be doing that in machine. The tailors can't do that with so much precision. Are you understanding?
Yes, I got it. Some other they have to do.
Yeah. Whatever it is, it is under that cost only. They have to fulfill it. Finished. So they have to recover this cost. Understood? Fine.
Okay. Yes, got it.
Okay, Sam. Then we'll take up the next section in the next session. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll take the class. Evening. I'll come earlier and take the class. Okay. I'll fulfill this thing in my next class, and weekend we will take up the make or buy decision. Next topic. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you. So we have done 8. How many questions are there in this?
40 questions.
So 20. That means next 12 questions we have to target in the next session. We will do that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam.